Running Facebook ads with a small budget can feel like setting money on fire, especially when you're spending $3,000 and barely breaking even. But what if I told you that that same $3,000, but with the right structure, with the right strategy and creative, could bring back 9 or even more in return? In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step strategy on how to triple your Facebook ads return on ad spend, even with a small budget. We'll cover our 3-4-3 funnel framework, creative tactics that convert in 2025, and what's working right now for fast-growing e-commerce brands. And if you want our team to build a system for your store, there's a link in the description for a free strategy call. Here's how most e-commerce brands lose their money on Facebook ads. They throw their $3,000 into one conversion campaign, target a call audience, use boosted post or product shot, and mostly expect immediate sales. But here's the catch. Cold traffic converts at only 1-2%, and if you're not working with that other 98%, you're basically paying for window shoppers. Shopify's data shows that brands using a 3-step funnel strategy see up to 2.5 times higher conversion rate. And this is exactly what this next framework helps you build. All right, let's break it down how we would exactly use the $3,000 Facebook ads budget and get the most out of every dollar. We use a framework we call the 3-4-3 split, and it's built around how people actually buy, not just how ads are run or something. But let's start with the first 30%, the top of the funnel. This is about $900 of your budget, and the goal here is to get in front of new people who have never heard of your brand. You're not trying to sell here right away. You're just introducing your product, building awareness, and starting that relationship with your customers. You do that with things like short product demo videos, UGC content, before and after results, anything that grabs attention in the first few seconds and stops the scroll. These ads should be optimized for engagement or video views, not purchases yet. Because you want Facebook's algorithm to find people who are most likely to be interested. Next up is the middle of funnel. This is where we put 40% of the budget. That's approximately $1,200. This is for people who already know you a little bit. Maybe they watched your video, visited your website, or followed you on Instagram. But here, your goal is to build trust and drive them toward making a purchase. This is where you show testimonials, user reviews, your brand story, maybe a behind-the-scene look, or even bundle offers that make the value obvious. And now you do optimize for conversions because these people are already warmed up. Finally, we have the bottom of funnel, the last 30%, or in other words, $900. This is where the profit lives. You're retargeting people who came to your product page, added to cart, maybe even started checkout, but just didn't finish. These are hot leads, and now you hit them with urgency, a limited time discount, a catalog ad that shows the exact product they looked at, or even a quick frequently asked questions style that overcomes objections. The purpose here is simple: bring them back and close the sale. So again, it's 30% to reach new people, 40% to bring them closer to buying, and 30% to bring back the ones who didn't convert in the first try. Let's make this real with a quick example. Say you run a skincare brand and you're promoting a glow serum or whatever, it's not that deep. You use $900 to run a 6-second UGC video of someone applying the serum with on-screen results and bold captions. Secondly, from those video viewers, you retarget the 50% plus watchers using $1,200 worth of mid-funnel ads that highlight real testimonials and dermatologist credibility. Finally, you spend $900 retargeting people who visited the product page or added to cart but didn't buy, maybe with a 10% discount or frequently asked question carousel. That's how you drive traffic from interest to purchase, not only once, but through a smart layered funnel. Now let's talk about creatives. Meta says creative contributes up to 70% of ad success. Not targeting, not budget, creative. Here's how we structure lean creative testing. 3 angles: emotional hook, demo video, and social proof. 2 headline variations per creative and 1 broad or 1% lookalike audience. We run this in dynamic format and let Meta optimize the combo. For example, one brand we worked with tested the clean product demo versus a 12-second customer testimonial. Same spend, same product, but the testimonial had 3.2 times higher return on ad spend. That's why your angle matters more than your visuals. Here's what we're seeing right now work best across our active e-commerce ad accounts. TikTok style UGC ads, native, real. Carousel ads with 5 reasons customer love and your best-selling product. Advantage Plus shopping campaigns let Meta optimize delivery. And landing page quizzers. They pre-filter shoppers before product page, but be careful with those because they do not work for every product. Now here's something most brands overlook, and it's why their ads do not work even if they do everything else right. Your offer. Even the smartest funnel and the best looking creative will not fix a weak offer. So before worrying about scaling or optimizing anything, ask yourself, if I saw this ad in my own feed, would I really click it? Would I buy it? Or would I scroll past? Here are 3 ways to improve your offer. You don't even have to change your product for it. First one is bundle your best sellers. Instead of offering a single item, create a starter kit or top picks bundle that feels more valuable. People naturally perceive bundles as a deal, even if the discount is small. For example, a skincare brand offering 1 product at $39 gets ignored, but a 3 product glow routine set for $89 feels like a high value experience. Second one is add urgency or a reason to act now. This can be only 111 in stock, or offer ends this Sunday, or free gift with first 50 orders, whatever. Urgency doubles conversion rates in some tests, so use it, and it's easy to implement, so go ahead. Third one is clean up the landing page. I can't stress this enough. Do not send paid traffic to overwhelming pages. Your landing page should answer 3 simple first questions. What is this product? Why should I care? And how do I actually buy it? So use a strong headline, clear benefits, visible reviews, and a single call to action. If someone clicks your ad and feels confused, they're gone. And that's a wasted click and a wasted dollar. The truth is, your offer is a bridge between interest and action. And when it's strong and simple, your ads stop working against you and start working for you. And that's the exact same moment when you go from average return on ad spend to a real profitability. And if you want to shortcut months of guessing and skipping between ad failures, let our team build your full Facebook ads funnel. From creative angles to campaign structure, we'll custom fit the strategy to your goals and to your product. So book a free strategy call with the link in the description, and we'll see how we can help you with no pressure and no pitch. All right, that's it for today's breakdown. I hope this gave you a clearer picture on how to make the most out of small Facebook ads budget. And if you did find this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and drop a comment if you have any questions. I'll answer every single one, or just let us know if you want us to dive deeper into some specific topic you want. Thank you guys for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.